Up. Good girl. Go ahead and go up. Good girl. Oh, you like the new seat skins? Yeah, it's nice, huh? The Cybertruck, it comes with a white interior, except the seats are black. It's always been a little bit of a contrast for me that I've never really particularly liked. Seat covers in general are usually pretty awesome. You can already see with 3,000 miles, there's a little bit of bolster wear. I've always been a fan of the white interior myself because it rejects heat. It prevents a lot. I already wiped these seats down before the video, but you could see the sunblock transfer, dog drool transfer. It's all harder on the black seats. Plus white just kind of opens it up a little bit. You could see a little bit of the sunblock that I already wiped down with the McGuire's Quick Interior Detailer, and it's still there. And then the seat covers will help with some of the imprinting from the car seats. Yeah, and you can see the door panels are white, except the seats are black. It's always been kind of interesting for me. And if you want to look at the seat covers themselves, just quick first impressions. You could obviously see the Cybertruck logo, and that's pretty cool. Perforated leather, kind of has a design similar to the Cybertruck, not angular. There's some rounded imprinting, but it's kind of futuristic looking. So you got the front seats, the center armrests, and then the back seats here. Pretty well made. They're padded, mesh, perforated, but not all the way through the padding. Elastic bands will keep it in place. We'll see how the install goes. They do give you some tools, so try to figure it out here. Some gloves, some plastic retainers, some clips. And then this white seat interior, they're just a little bit lighter because it's real leather instead of Tesla's fake leather. I don't know if the video picks it up, but it's a very close match. Obviously it matches way better than the black seats. If you want to just take a look compared to traditional white leather, actually it's pretty even. Yeah, I would say it matches pretty well. Yeah, we'll try it out, see what it looks like. All right, I did half of them in the back seat already. You could kind of tell the difference. I just wanted to show you guys the difference in pattern on the imprinting. You see the stock Cybertruck seats have these square seam, and then this is more of a pattern. And then there's a little bit of piping going on right here. This on the new Tesla seats, especially the plaids, they get worn out quick. So I'm glad we're protecting it with these seats right here. All right, I got the back seat installed. Looking pretty good. The bottoms sit nice and tight. I like the way they have multiple fasteners on the bottom. I'll go ahead and show you, but first, the ISO fixed points for your car seats. You can still access them, which is great. Nice and soft, supple. You could still fold the seat up. Folding the seat up, you'll see how these bottom seat skins are covered. It's essentially just 4 straps, 2 on each side, and you just tighten it. And then the backrest, it clips on to the straps. Cool there. Got in the way of the buckle. Notice this, kind of not a big deal. I'm pretty sure with the heat, the leather will rebound. Nice soft seats. Just gotta kind of remember that these are just seat skins. They're not seat replacements, so they're not perfect, but they're pretty incredible for what they are. Nice soft seat protection. Yeah, if you want real 100% fit and finish, you'd have to completely remove the stock leather seats, and that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to protect the seats and make it still look good. So A+ here for these seat skins. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to work on the front seats. You can see that the color matching is pretty awesome. Earlier I thought they were gonna be too yellow for the door panels, but they're a perfect match. Ellie, okay, let's test out these new seats. Go ahead and go up. Go up. Up. Good girl. Go ahead and go up. Good girl. Oh, you like the new seat skins? Yeah, it's nice, huh? Down, Ellie. Sit. 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 Good girl. There you go. Looking good. You like it? You don't have to be in the bed anymore, huh? You can see her paws. So these seat skins, I've used similar ones before, and I've used them at the beach and the river, and they hold up really well against the sharp claws. You can see the talons are no match for the NAPPA leather, huh? Ellie, good girl. You like it? Oh, you're really comfortable, huh? Right here, looks like it's still airbag compatible. Has a nice flap right here to pop out the airbag if necessary. Let me tuck this back in. Nice perforations. We'll see. I mean, with the heat and cooled seats, I'm not sure how it would do, but I would just imagine that you just lose a little bit of the heat and cooling effect with the original seats, but that's not too much of a issue. See the fitment down here. Back here, you could see that this still has the seat pockets. It's actually really loose, so you could fit a bunch more things than the stock seat pockets, which is nice. And then up here, you could see that this still pops up, and then like to lock it in place, you got to use a little bit more muscle, but it still locks in place. And you could kind of see the mechanism here. It's just a bunch of straps tightening it down. Pops right back in place. I'm a big fan of using these seat covers instead of like the dog hammocks, because I end up having to clean not only the seats but the dog hammock as well. So this is nice. It wipes off super clean, just like the normal white leather Tesla seats. They last a long time. I took my dog to the river, the beach, the ocean. I had 4 at one point, and they lasted like 30,000 miles, and I took them off, and the original seats looked real brand new. Fitment down here. And we'll go around to the other side. Same thing over here. Seat pops up nicely. You can see that there's still some imprinting from the delivery process because they just kind of smash them in the box, but I'm pretty sure with the heat this will just rebound out. Time will tell. Check the fitment here. Pretty good. Same airbags on this side. Good hint would be to use, because this side, the bottom, seat bottom, and that seat bottom looks identical, but there is a plastic retaining clip. So to have the plastic retaining clip stay on the outside, and that way you don't mix them up like me, because I ended up mixing them up and then I had to swap them back. No big deal. But anyways, EV base hooking it up again. Looking good with these white seat covers matching the rest of the interior now.